A single pencil contains enough graphite to draw a continuous line, stretching over 35 miles. This seemingly simple tool holds centuries of global innovation, unexpected history, and diverse cultural impact. Every day, billions of these unassuming writing instruments are used across continents, often without a second thought. From bustling urban classrooms to remote artistic studios, the pencil remains an indispensable artifact. Its quiet evolution reflects intricate global trade routes and ingenious manufacturing advancements spanning centuries. Understanding its journey reveals fascinating stories about material science, economic shifts, and human ingenuity worldwide. This humble wooden stick represents a universal symbol of creation, learning, and fundamental communication everywhere. Prepare to uncover the extraordinary global narrative hidden within this everyday object, an exploration of surprising facts. The pencil's true origin began in 16th century England with the discovery of a vast, pure graphite deposit. Shepherds near Barrowdale, Cumbria, initially used this dark mineral to mark their sheep, unaware of its future global reach.
This pure plumbago, mistaken for lead, was incredibly soft and crumbled easily, posing a significant handling challenge.
Early solutions involved wrapping graphite sticks in string or sheepskin, a crude but effective method of containment. However, late 18th posing century, a Napoleonic significant handling wars. His ingenious method involved grinding graphite with clay, firing it in a kiln, and encasing the mixture in wood. This precise blend allowed for varying lead hardness, creating the diverse pencil grades we still use. Yet, this groundbreaking method sparked entirely new global challenges and unexpected manufacturing secrets. German manufacturers, like Faber-Castell, quickly adopted and refined Conte's process, establishing dominant global brands. These companies meticulously sourced specific types of cedar wood, often from California, for their smooth carving and durability. The wood casing protects the delicate graphite core and provides a comfortable, sturdy grip for writers and artists. Pencil factories in countries like China and India now produce billions annually, catering to immense global demand. Different nations sometimes prefer unique pencil shapes or vibrant colors, reflecting local aesthetic tastes and traditions. For instance, Japanese pencils often feature incredibly fine, precise leads, favored for intricate calligraphy and technical drawing. Meanwhile, brightly colored pencils from Brazil showcase a playful design aesthetic, popular in art supplies for children. But the journey of the pencil's evolution still held another crucial, truly American development. The invention of the attached eraser, patented in America, added another layer of convenience and versatility. Before this, users carried separate pieces of rubber or even stale breadcrumbs to correct their written mistakes. This simple addition transformed the pencil into a self-contained error correction tool, boosting its global appeal exponentially. Scandinavian countries emphasize ergonomic designs, crafting pencils that fit comfortably in hand, preventing fatigue during long use. These thoughtful design choices reflect a commitment to user experience, extending beyond mere functionality. Furthermore, the selection of graphite itself varies globally, with different mines yielding unique qualities and purities. Graphite from Sri Lanka, for example, is renowned for its exceptional smoothness, highly prized by professional artists.
But the most significant challenge involved ensuring a consistent, ethical supply chain across continents. The process of blending graphite and clay requires precise ratios, a secret often guarded closely by master pencil makers.
Formulation, a secret, often dictates the guarded closely by pencil's master pencil hardness or maker's softness, chain across ranging from 9H hardest to 9B softest on a universal scale. Countries like Germany excel in producing artist-grade pencils, known for their consistent quality and extensive range of grades. The vast Amazon rainforest provides specific wood types for some eco-friendly pencils, emphasizing sustainable harvesting practices. However, maintaining environmental balance while meeting global demand presents complex, ongoing logistical hurdles. From the initial mining in remote regions to the final packaging, the pencil's creation involves numerous skilled artisans. Each stage, whether shaping the wood or inserting the lead, contributes to the pencil's globally recognized quality. Even the paint and lacquer applied to the exterior come from specialized suppliers, often across different countries. This intricate global network ensures a steady flow of billions of pencils annually, reaching every corner of the world. Materials into such the pencil's refined, and impact extends far beyond its universally accessible physical instrument construction.
Yet, the pencil's impact extends far beyond its physical construction, shaping societies in profound, unexpected ways.
Developing nations for shaping societies, in generations profound. Its affordability and simplicity made writing accessible to millions, democratizing education in unprecedented ways globally. Pencils remain vital tools for architects, designers, and artists worldwide, enabling initial sketches and intricate blueprints. They represent a fundamental step in cognitive development for children, teaching fine motor skills and creative expression. The global pencil industry supports countless jobs, from sustainable forestry to advanced manufacturing and distribution networks. Concerns about deforestation for cedar wood prompted innovations in recycled materials and alternative sustainable sources. Many nations now prioritize eco-friendly pencil production, using reclaimed wood or even recycled paper for casings. Their universal recognition transcends language barriers, even for such a common item. Pencils play a crucial role in standardized testing across many countries, providing a consistent, reliable writing medium. Their universal recognition transcends language barriers, even for such a common item. The tactile experience of writing with a pencil fosters a deeper connection to learning, unlike purely digital alternatives. From scientific discoveries recorded in notebooks to masterpieces sketched on canvases, pencils have documented human progress. They symbolize the power of a simple idea, proving that even a small tool can spark immense global change. This enduring legacy solidifies the pencil's place as more than just an object, but a true global ambassador of knowledge. The humble pencil, born from global ingenuity and diverse resources, embodies a remarkable story of human progress and connectivity. Its quiet ubiquity masks a profound historical journey, impacting education, art, and communication across every continent. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and share your thoughts in the comments below.